Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Manav Jha and in this video I'm going to share 5 apps every student and working professional should use to upskill themselves and to increase their productivity. All of these apps are free, you don't need to pay a single rupees for it. I have been using these apps for a while now, it has helped me a lot and I'm sure it will help you as well. Now without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. The first app I want you to use is Notion. Notion is a project management and note-taking app. It is a tool that you can use to organize your thoughts, ideas, reading material, your projects, and many more. Let me take you to my Notion workspace. That way you will understand it better.
The first thing you will see after downloading and creating your account is this page of getting started, where they will teach you how to use it through text and videos. Now let's look at how you can use this for your to-do list, task management, note taking, and lots of other things. So my first section is my to-do list, where the task is editing the video, writing assignments, recording videos, writing Twitter threads, and reading. The thing is, I'm not able to read properly for the last 2 weeks, otherwise everything is going well. The next section is my YouTube task list, where I write my video ideas, as you can see here. This section is divided into 3 parts. The first, I have videos ideas I need to work. In the second part, there is this video I'm currently working on. And the third part is about the video I have completed. So that's how my YouTube task list looks like, and you can also change this name. You can also change the name of the section. Like you can change this YouTube task list to my homework section. The next section is journal section, but I believe that we all should journal in copy. That is way better than this typing thing, and that is why this journal section is empty. Now there's this reading list section, where I have linked all the articles I'm currently reading. As you can see, there's this article about specific knowledge that I am currently reading. There's this interesting article about the future of human with AI, and there's this article where they have explained capitalist society in depth. I have linked the article to my Notion account, so whenever I want to read this article, I just have to click on it and here I am on the article page. Now let me introduce you to my books to read section, where I have made list of 10 books I have to read. This includes Sapiens, 21 Lesson for 21st Century, and Homo Deus. The first 3 books are written by Yuval Noah Harari, and man, he's such a good storyteller.
So that was my Notion workspace and how I use it. Notion also has paid version, but as a student you don't need that. The free version is more than enough for you. The second app I want you to use is Khan Academy. Khan Academy is great app for those who are in school. From class 1st to class 12th math, from science to humanities, this app has covered every chapter for you. For example, let's say you want to know about friction. You can simply go to the search bar and search for friction. Now you can see here are lots of results showing what is friction. There's this article if you want to read about it, or there are videos if you want to understand it visually. Also, there are exercises to test yourself, and the best part is you won't score 0 marks here. Even if your answer is wrong, it will give you another chance. Let's see another example. Let's search for Indus Valley Civilization. Now here you can see they have exercises, they have explained the topic in videos and whatnot. Also here you can learn about career and personal finance as well. The third app we are going to talk about is going to be Spotify. I know many of you have Spotify in your mobile, but you usually use it to listen to songs. But Spotify also has audiobooks and podcasts that we can listen to, or we should listen to. Most of us think that audiobooks are only available at audiobooks or Storytel, but that's not true. Just search audiobooks and you can see how many audiobooks are here. There's this Atomic Habits, Think Like a Monk, Ikigai, Psychology of Money, 0 to 1, and the list goes on. You can also search book by its name. For example, if I search about 4-hour work week, here it is. Full 500 minutes audiobook is available here. And by chance, if you can't find audiobooks on Spotify, search it on YouTube. Just go to the search bar, write the name of the book and add audiobook in front of it. There's high chances whichever book you want to read or listen is on Spotify or on YouTube. Yes, Audibles and other platforms are great, but as a student we don't have this much money to invest in these apps, and that's where free alternatives like Spotify or YouTube helps us. Bonus point, if you are fed up with listening ads after every song on Spotify, you can use an app called Ad Silence. This will mute the audio of ad every time it plays, and mute ad audio will help your ears to relief. The fourth app you should use is InShots. If you don't know, InShorts is a news app that summarizes latest news in 60 words. See, if you are not living under the rock, you should know what's happening in the world. And you don't need to know everything in depth. Just know this much, that if there's a conversation happening about that topic, you can be part of it. As a student, we don't want to go through blogs to read news, and watching news channel these days is just seeing couple of people screaming at each other for no reasons, and this doesn't make sense. Also, most of the news are not for us. What we will do by knowing a son fought his father over property or something like that. I'm not saying these news are not important. I'm just saying these news are not for us. And that's why I think InShorts is important. If the news is not important, just skip it after 60 words. But if there's this news where the finance minister or the prime minister has announced something, go through that. Go read articles about it. InShorts has this feature as well. But to stay updated with what's happening in the world, InShorts is enough. Last but not the least, on number 5, I would like you to use Vocabulary Builder. Now, I don't know whether you are going to like it or not, but a good vocabulary will help you in your career. No matter what field you are in, you are going to write emails, you are going to write business letter, and a good vocabulary will help you a lot. And nobody is asking you to have a vocab like Shashi Tharoor. Just a little level up in your vocab game can open many doors for you. So that's it for this video. If you have any other good app that you use, please drop the name of the app in the comment section. Also, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.